guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Jasmine. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're going to be doing unboxing for the base box. I still have two more to go. I have BoxyLuxe and Premium, so I'm excited to see what's coming. But in the meantime, I'm going to do an unboxing, sharing with you guys my box. I was able to try some of the products, well, maybe one or two products on camera, so let's go ahead and get started. And this one is variation number 2. As you see, it's BoxyCharm Oasis. It's so calm, so pretty. I really like the theme too. And the value of my box is $142.99. That it sounds pretty good, especially if you only spend $25. But I want to know if the items I have inside are worth my value, because I'm going to be using them. I'm impressed. I like it. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to talk about is Purlisse. And this is the Perfect Glow BB cream. This one has SPF 30, and there's some little instructions about this, and you're gonna be seeing me wearing it and trying it out on camera. Let me know what you guys think of this BB cream alone. I did not put anything else, no other foundation for this with this product. I was excited, and as you know, the BB cream is going to be a variation with the Smashbox setting spray, and I really didn't want a setting spray. I really wanted the BB cream because I am looking for a more natural type of foundation, in this case a BB cream that does include SPF. I still apply SPF, but it does say that for normal or dry skin, wear over Purlisse moisturizer. So you will see me in the video. This is the moisturizer that I like to wear. It's almost halfway, and I'm like, oh my god, what I'm gonna do, because I really like this moisturizer. It feels so lightweight, especially for oily skin, and I'm loving it because my skin doesn't feel oily at all. But it does say for oily skin, do not wear a moisturizer. So it says to wear the BB cream alone, and so if you want extra coverage, they do say for you to wear another foundation. Like, let me just try it out on its own because I really want to go for a natural feel. So you're gonna see me wearing the BB cream on its own, and I think it was cute me creating some of those. I feel like the Flash theme on my skin. And it's even great for sensitive skin, which I do have sensitive skin. It has some great ingredients here. It did mention that it's going to improve skin complexion, it's going to soften an even skin tone, it's going to hydrate the skin, and it's going to help reduce the fine lines and wrinkles, and it's going to help you prevent from UVA and UVB damage. So I'm liking that. And it does say that this has the some Asian herb extract complex like goji and hawthorn berry, which is going to help brighten your skin, while jasmine improves skin texture, and it's going to retain moisture to create a gorgeous and glowing complexion. So I'm excited about that. And it has some jasmine in there, which I rarely hear that from my name on a skincare. It works on my skin. I really like how it looks. I really like. As you see, I have to do 2 takes because I do have a lot of pigmentations around or uneven skin tone, but even with that, I feel like it's giving me the nice coverage that I really enjoy. Beauty cost $35, and so far I feel like I'm going to be including this in my skincare routine, especially for the summer. I really like how it looks. I really do. So far that one, it's a thumbs up. It's a winner. Then we have Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner. This is going to be the foaming face wash. I'm wondering what's going to happen because this is also coming for BoxyLuxe, and I do have them in separate accounts, so I don't know if I'm going to be getting this again. But I don't know if I'm going to give this to my husband. I just bought a face wash. I just got it like a few days ago, and I have to be careful the type of face wash that I do use because I have sensitive and acne prone skin. So but this one retails for $24. This one is infused with ultra nourishing kiwi seed oil packed with vitamin C and E to help maintain moisture and improve elasticity. The packaging feels really soft, and I like the colors. I really like the colors, and it's pretty big. This is a 5 ounce. So let's see how it works on my husband because he just has normal to almost dry skin. So now let's move on to the next product. The next product I did mention, Tula Skincare. That's the face wash that I've been using, and it finished, so I had to buy a new one, but I'm trying something different. So let's see, but I really like this brand. This is Tula Skincare. This is Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. This one retails for $28, and as you know, this was one of those choice items. Look how this came. What the heck? Okay, there you go. It does have like a, I guess, a cucumber flavor or scent. Wow, it feels so cooling on my skin. I didn't try it on camera because I already had done my skincare routine, but I think I'm going to include this. This one retails for $28. So another one that I'm not mad about. The next one is Iconic London. This is an illuminator. This one retails for $41. The shade that I got in the back, it says original, and I'm going to show you. This is the second one that I received. I did an unboxing and I tried this on camera, which I am wearing it. I really like this. I like this highlighter. It's a liquid. I love every time when I try it on. And now I got two of the same shade. So this is the one I've been using. This one I haven't opened yet, so I don't know if I'm gonna put this on a giveaway yet. But yep, I got two of the same shade, and that one retails for $41. I'm not mad about it because I have tried it another one. Of course, you don't want to get duplicate items, but I don't mind getting duplicate items that I really love. So like I said, that one retails for $41. And the last products I got is from Lashaholic. Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. Finally, I got lashes. I always say that on my spoilers. I want some lashes and I never get them. I finally got it. This is Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. They are real, I swear. That is the name of these lashes. This one retails for $14.99. And look at this packaging. I love this. And they feel so lightweight. The band is so light. I am wearing them, and of course I had to trim a lot. I always have to trim a lot, but they feel so light, I'm telling you guys. And I love that the band is so thin. So I really like it, and look how cute it is inside. I am gonna keep this box. I'm thinking of what I'm gonna do with this box because it is so pretty. I don't know what I might put here, but have you guys thought of, you know, upcycling the box? What would you use it? I don't know. It's really pretty. I don't want to throw it away. So like I mentioned, this is variation number 22. The retail value for everything is $142.99, and I'm also going to be including the weight of this box. If yours is on the way and you already seen the shipment facts, which also shares the weight, you have an idea. This might be the box that you might receive. But don't forget that it includes the choice item, which in this case was my Tula Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. So guys, this complete my video. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you two boxes that it's on a giveaway. I have a giveaway going. It ends at the end of this month, and there's going to be two winners. There's going to be, you're going to either be getting box A or box B. So the first selected winner is going to get box A, and the second one is going to be getting box B. So guys, I thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you guys think of this box. I really like this box. I'm happy that I got the BB cream. That is my take on this box. I like everything. I really like the Lashaholics. I finally got some lashes. I like that. Of course, the item that I selected from Tula Skincare, it feels so refreshing even on my hand when I tried it. And I'm not mad that I got a duplicate item from Iconic London, which I am so excited about because I really like the pigmentation and how bright it looks on my skin. I really like them. And the skincare, the face balm, I'm gonna give that to my husband because I think he's running out of the one that he has. So let's see how it works for him. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to join the giveaway that is going right now. That information is going to be provided below, so just go ahead and check it out. It's going to take you to my website and just follow the rules. It's pretty easy to follow. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you're having a wonderful week, and until the next video, bye.